Winter Airsoft War.
I'm killing Phil. #1 for 2012.
Yeah, this is our first
number
second
2
Airsoft video.
Huh?
Number 2, because I already died twice.
Get us both in this.
Shut up!
He left the reservoir half open and it just spilled out into his pocket. So
Sweet.
Hold on, just start the war.
Yeah, we'll be over there.
Oh, shit! I don't want this. All right, whatever. Okay.
But don't worry, we're professionals.
As you can see by my hat, I'm a professional Russian.
And it's very slippery around here. I must say, I hate playing in the snow.
So do I, actually. I mean, it's not. I don't love it. I'd rather play in like this much snow than like a foot.
But like, it's cold. It makes you wet. And unless you have hot chocolate, you're just going to be uncomfortable.
Exactly. Luckily, I always carry some instant hot chocolate in my handy-dandy utility pouch.
Legit?
No.
And I have no idea. Is that them? No, it's not.
I don't know where they are.
Gun view.
You know how big my right arm is going to be after this? You know, it's the only thing about this hat is I really can't hear anything. I got these flaps over my ears. Shall I go true Russian and clip them up, or what?
Do true Russian. Here, I'll hold it.
Nah, make my ears cold. I don't want to get shot in the face.
If you were coming up against us.
I was Caleb.
No, if you were you.
Well, if that was me, I'd be doing just what I'm doing right now.
No, coming against us.
I don't know. Well, we're like, it's not like an attack and defense game. They're just coming after us. It's just like hunt each other down. So they should be moving too. But Caleb's just sitting somewhere waiting for us to come. That's what he does. So he's probably at a high point, waiting for us. Yeah, Caleb knows to take the high ground. So I guarantee you, you know what? I'll bet he's not even at this ridge. I bet
he's expecting us to take the base.
No. You know what he's doing? He's at you know the very first, the little valley you take to get to the base.
Get to the base. That's where I would be if I was sniping.
Well, the right side, walking up to the base, the right-hand side, there's that top rock ledge. You can see the whole left face of the next ridge over. I guarantee you he's sitting up there, because I've done it 100 times.
Yeah. Isn't Mountain Laurel poisonous?
I don't think so.
Or are the berries poisonous?
I don't know.
I always climb through that stuff.
Well, Mountain Laurel's not. Mountain Laurel's, that's Mountain Laurel right there.
Yeah. I always climb through that shit. Hope it's not poisonous.
I would assume it's not.
I'm still alive. Close.
Phil said he heard them right over the ridge. I'm not sure if he actually did hear them, or if he's just Phil being Phil. So, we're just kind of sitting and waiting. This was a bad idea. What? No. This was a bad idea. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They were up here. Where'd they go?
Back down.
Okay, there's a set going this way and a set going that way. I told you. This is where they stop. I told you. This is right where I told you they were going to be. Yeah, but I told you that's how Caleb is. That's where he'd be, right here. Yes, I knew it. Look. That's the exact spot where I said he'd be.
Door close.
Huh?
Did you hear a door close?
What?
Like a door slam.
Right now? Yeah, Derek just put Molly back inside. What?
He's totally sent Molly out to find us.
No, he put Molly back inside.
I know, but she probably took her out.
No, my dad came out. Alright.
Idea.
We called and I walked in and I'm like,
All right.
if I don't find Phil's phone,
What happened was
phone, then I'll call him.
we went way farther back into the woods than they thought we were, and they just stayed right at the edge, and it took over an hour, and they got really cold and went inside. This is what happened, so we're back now, and that's the end of it. I got 50 minutes of us walking through the woods waiting for you guys.
There were many behinds being taken.